Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor Magic 8 Pro and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app. And currently we are in the standard photo mode. As you can see, it is highlighted, which means that we can open the settings. We have to take a look at this option bar at the top, and on the right we've got this 6 dots icon with this arrow. So this is our settings. Let's tap on it, and here we've got more options. Now we have to swipe, and the timer is right here, so let's tap on it. In this device we've got 4 different options, so off, 2, 5 and 10 seconds delay. So let me choose 10 seconds delay. Just tap on the option which you'd like to use. As you can see, the timer icon will change and it indicates that we've got the timer applied. Unfortunately, after getting back to the camera, we cannot really see any kind of information that we've got the timer set. But that's okay, I suppose. So now all you have to do is to tap on the shutter button, and from now on your device will count down from 10, 5 or 3, depending on which option you've chosen, and after that time it will simply take a photo. Alright, and as we can see, we had an additional timer, let's say. It was, it is because it is applied because we've got also the night mode. Which was, I believe, automatically set. So all you have to do in order to turn it off is to simply tap on this this icon of the moon right here, so your device will turn off the automatic night option. So to turn off the timer, we have to open the settings again. So I hope that you can remember this icon here in the right upper corner. Tap on the timer and tap on off. And from now on, your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.